I got a big update for everybody. Sideways SRT, we back with another video. It's been a long time since I posted a video. I just had a lot of shit going on, all the family stuff and stuff like that. But I got a big update for everybody. Since the last video, I was at an old house. Now I'm at a completely different house. I have my own shop. I'm doing very good. I have a lot of content coming out very soon. I actually have the Challenger in here. The Angle Kit sponsor, Broke Ass Baller. Make sure you guys tap in. I'll send their link. I'll put their link somewhere down here so you guys could have that. They specialize in angle kits for the Dodge platform. There is another company out here that does it too. That's AAD. I believe theirs is over 3,500 or something like that. I believe it's actually 3,800 for their kit. They only have 62 degrees of angle, and the kit that I'm getting is actually going to give me over 70 degrees of angle on this one. Full Ackerman adjustments, basically the whole 9 yards for everything. I also do have my hydro set up in this bag, girl. It's not, the lines are not ran yet, but I do have it in here. It's mounted to the car. I also gutted the car since you guys last seen it. So, I mean, there's no carpet, only the front seats and the front carpet and the dash is in. But I'm taking these seats out. I'm going to put racing seats in here. Some bucket seats. So, that's getting switched out very soon. As for the shop, I mean, so I got this side, right? My toolbox set up and all that stuff. So, I also got this other side right here. We got the homie Benny's Hellcat Swap 300. We're finishing it up. A couple other builds in there. I'll show you guys around. Show you guys the cars. Got the Hellcat right here. Got the 300. She's finally cammed. It's running good. No issues. Chilling. I also got a new one. That's the new tow rig right there. It's a Blazer. So this one's really nice right here. I'm actually pretty much in love with this one. I've never had anything lifted like this, so I'm for sure in love with this one. So everything's doing good. That's another customer's car right there. I gotta finish that one up. Got these rims from my cousin's Beamer. That one's gonna be on the channel pretty soon too. We're actually gonna do a manual swap to that one, which I have everything for it. We just have to do it. It's just been a little bit busy, so but that's all this stuff right here. This is a full manual swap for his little Beamer. Got an angle kit coming for that one, hydro setup, pretty much everything, all that stuff. So we got 2 drift cars in the making right now, and there's a lot of content coming up very soon. I just got to stay consistent with it. I appreciate everybody that's subscribed and that's been waiting for videos. A lot of people have been asking me for videos. I just haven't had a chance to. Another thing is I've also made support stickers. So if you guys could see that right there, the sideways garage, that's my new support stickers. So if you guys want any of that, let me know. I got all kinds of colors. Pretty much any color you could think of. Other than that, I mean, yeah, so the Angle Kit sponsor, they're on their way right now with the kit. I think they said that the manufacturers gave them the wrong bolts for the control arm or something like that. So we're gonna have to wait for the new hardware to come in for me to actually test the kit. But we're gonna put the kit on at least. And I'm also getting carbon fiber wide body fenders for this girl. These fenders are like, this is the last part of the front end that needs to be replaced. I have a new hood, I have a new bumper, I just needed fenders. So I've been looking for fenders for the longest, and thankfully my new sponsorship, actually they make carbon fiber wide body fenders, and it's on their Hellcat, which I'll post a picture somewhere right here so you guys can see that one. And yeah, so we'll tap back in right now. When they come, we'll start installing everything, and then I'll drop this video once I get the rest of the hardware so we could go and test it and all that stuff too. So stay tuned, appreciate the support, and get ready for some more content.
Hey V, line them up.